evening for Shirdi Sai, a special night dedicated to celebrating the teachings and divine presence of Shirdi Sai Baba. It is an honor to have all of you here joining us in this evening of devotion, art, and music.
We are deeply privileged to have some very distinguished guests with us today. Our chief guest, a beacon of wisdom and spirituality, Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy, whose guidance and dedication to Sai Baba's teachings inspire millions worldwide. We are also honored to welcome Mr. Sunil Kumar, representing the Consulate General of India, whose presence elevates the significance of this evening.
We welcome our esteemed artists, Padma Shri awardee Suresh Warkarji, whose soulful voice has touched countless hearts. The melodious and talented Antaraji, who is sure to mesmerize us tonight, and the spectacular Nishi Singh and her team of dancers, who will bring alive the essence of devotion through their graceful performances. We also have multiple representatives from different cultural associations such as Maharashtra, Telugu, Tamil, Odia, and many others.
Tonight is not just about entertainment, it's about coming together as a community to grasp the teachings of Shirdi Sai Baba. This event is a humble attempt to spread that message and create a deeper connection with his universal teachings.
Before we dive into today's performances, let us take a moment to reflect on Sai Baba's history and the profound impact of Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy ji in spreading Baba's message across the globe.
Sai Baba first appeared in Shirdi in 1872. While many books, including the Sai Satcharita, have suggested this time frame, Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy ji went a step further. Through objective analysis and primary evidence, he confirmed that Baba's first arrival in Shirdi was indeed in 1872.
Baba's universal teachings of tolerance, coexistence, love, and respect for every culture have spread far and wide. Since 1989, Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy ji has been a driving force behind this global movement, ensuring that Baba's teachings reach every corner of the world.
While Sai Baba did not establish any formal institution, write any books, or appoint any disciples, devotees like Sri Nana Sahib Chandorkar, Sri Das Ganu Maharaj, and Sri Himad Pant, the author of Sai Satcharita, shared Baba's teachings with the people of Maharashtra and beyond.
Dedicated workers who go beyond, like Sri Kaka Sahib Dikshit, Sri Narasimha Swami ji, and Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy ji, have dedicated their lives to spreading Baba's message further.
As described in the Sai Satcharita, Baba loved children dearly. Dr. Satpathy ji also shares this focus on nurturing children in culture, music, and values, while also encouraging them to excel in education and international sports. His efforts have touched the lives of millions of children around the world.
In this spirit, the children of Dubai who have volunteered with dedication will now present a small offering. They will sing a beautiful song written and composed by Dr. Satpathy ji, He Sai Apne Charanon Mein. to think that it was prepared on such a short notice is truly impressive.
The meaning of the song is simple. Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy keeps repeating this message that Saralata and simplicity are the most important qualities in Baba's devotees. This song, Hey Sai Apne Charnon Mein, is a simple and sweet song emphasizing on these values.
The theme of today's program revolves around being simple. As Dr. Satpathy has said, it is simple to be difficult, but difficult to be simple.
Towards the end of the program, all participants will receive a special pocket calendar with this message, along with prasad from Shirdi.
Moving forward, let us take a moment to learn more about Dr. Satpathy ji, who has done incredible work in helping Sai devotees and promoting Indian culture and values worldwide. We now have a short video that introduces Dr. Satpathy ji.
A notable philosopher, author, humanitarian, and spiritual thinker. In 1972, he was selected for the prestigious Indian Police Service and was conferred the prestigious Police Medal for Gallantry, Police Medal for Meritorious Services, and Police Medal for Distinguished Service during his glorious professional career. Dr. Satpathy has chosen the medium of writing books, delivering speeches, encouraging art, culture, classical and devotional music, for assimilating and amalgamating different cultures and communities across continents. He is a multilingual writer of eminence. With many titles in English, Hindi, and Odia languages, Dr. Satpathy has written more than 60 books on cosmology, cosmogony, philosophy, Indian culture and spirituality, life and teachings of Shirdi Sai Baba, as well as other saints of India, in English, Hindi, and Odia languages. Many of his books have been translated into Indian regional languages and 5 international languages. Dr. Satpathy, an accomplished lyricist, has written and composed many spiritual renditions in Hindi, Odia, and Sanskrit, which are available in more than 40 music albums. Leading music houses of India, like the Times Music, Saregama, and T-Series, have released some of these albums sung by renowned Indian singers. Over 250 spiritual and philanthropic centers created under the inspiration and guidance of Dr. Satpathy across India and other countries like USA, New Zealand, Australia, UK, and few countries in Europe are engaged in charitable and philanthropic activities like conducting health camps, distributing food and clothing to the needy, and running charitable dispensaries, etc. Dr. Satpathy has inspired the organizations under his patronage all across the globe to come forward and assist those who are needy. Financial assistance was provided to Starship Foundation, Auckland, to help flood-affected people of Fiji. In Dallas, USA, under his patronage, financial assistance was provided to Lily Foundation. He is the chief patron of leading educational institutions like Shirdi Sai Public School, Moradabad, Uttar Pradesh, Sai International School, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and Silver Oak Academy, Shirdi, Maharashtra. For his scholastic achievements, he has been conferred with honoris causa from 6 Indian universities. Mr. Phil Goff, Honourable Member of Parliament, Mount Roskill, Auckland, New Zealand, facilitated Dr. C.B. Satpathy as Outstanding Global Humanitarian in 2016 at the Global Shirdi Sai Devotees Summit. OSUK, which was established 42 years ago to look after the social and cultural needs of Odiyas settled in the United Kingdom, facilitated Dr. C.B. Satpathy in 2017. Dr. Satpathy delivered a talk on Indian spirituality and culture, relevance in the contemporary world, in 2017 at a special event organized in the House of Commons, London. WASITRAC, Washington State India Trade Relation Action Committee, honored Dr. Satpathy with the Building Bridges Across the Nations Award in 2012 for his immense contributions in connecting the whole world through his literary excellence and humanitarian endeavors. Recognizing the role of Dr. Satpathy towards spreading the core values of peace, respect, and compassion towards all, he was invited by the US House of Representatives to open the House session on June the 24th, 2015 as guest chaplain. This is a unique honor ever bestowed upon an Indian citizen.
O Lord, by your will, we are born in different nations, speak different languages, and follow different religions and cultures.
In the year 2016 in Dallas, USA, Justice John Edward Payton facilitated and honored Dr. Satpathy on the occasion of Dr. Satpathy's first speech as guest chaplain at the US House of Representatives. As many people who have had a long-standing relationship with him say, even a short meeting with Dr. Satpathy may change one's life forever. Walking hand in hand with people of all strata of society, Dr. Satpathy has touched everyone to the core with his unique way of belongingness and benevolence.
County of Washington State, USA has announced Dr. Chandra Shri Guru Bhagwat Day.
In this spirit, we now present a mesmerizing Kathak performance by Srimati Nishi Singh and her team. They will perform to the song Shriman Narayana Sai, written and composed by Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy ji.
Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
हिरण्यगर्भसम्भूतं श्रीमन्नारायण साई सच्चिदानन्द परं ब्रह्म श्रीमन् सद्गुरु साई अनिष्टनाशक ज्ञानदाता गणपति श्री साई पालनहारा दया सागर विष्णु रूप सी साई हिरण्यगर्भ संभुतं श्रीमन्नारायण साई सच्चिदानंद परम ब्रह्म श्रीमन् सद्गुरु साई द्वंद्वातीत त्रिगुणरहित सदा शिव श्री साई सृष्टि नियंता चतुर्वेद दत्त ब्रह्मदेव श्री साई
अवतार भक्त शिरोमणि पवन पुत्र श्री साई त्रिदेव वसुत अवधूत दत्तात्रेय श्री साई हिरण्यगर्भ संभुतं श्रीमन्नारायण साई सच्चिदानंद परम ब्रह्म श्रीमन् सद्गुरु साई ब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी पराविद्या गायत्री श्री साई रक्षाकारिणी महाशक्तिमय महादुर्गा श्री साई हिरण्यगर्भ संभुतं श्रीमन्नारायण साई सच्चिदानंद परम ब्रह्म श्रीमन् सद्गुरु साई अष्टसिद्धि नवरत्न दात्री महालक्ष्मी श्री साई कला प्रवीणा विद्यादात्री सरस्वती श्री साई साकार निराकार अनंत पुराण पुरुष से साई स्वीकार करो प्रणाम मेरा भक्त वत्सल से साई
An amazing performance by Nishi Singh ji and her team. Their talent and grace were truly mesmerizing. And don't worry, we'll see them again later this evening.
Now, we would like to introduce the incredibly talented Antara ji, a true gem of Indian music. Antara ji has sung in many movies in languages like Hindi, Bangla, Marathi, and other regional languages. She has also won the prestigious Oriya State Film Festival's Best Playback Singer Award twice and has been honored worldwide, including in Dubai, Texas, and other cities. Recently, she released 2 divine albums, Sai Ardas in Hindi and Hey Kanha in Odia. The song Sai Ardas is originally sung by Antara ji herself in Times Music album, which is composed and written by Dr. Chandrabanu Satpathy.
Now we request Rashmi ji to accompany Antara ji onto the stage. Let's give a warm welcome to Antara ji.
बाबा प्रणाम। यहाँ उपस्थित हर साई भक्तों को मेरा भूमिष्ठ प्रणाम। आज दुबई में बाबा के सामने, आप सबके सामने बाबा के कुछ भजन गाने का मुझे सौभाग्य मिला है, इसलिए मैं खुद को बहुत ही सौभाग्यशाली मानती हूँ। आशा करती हूँ जो भी गाऊँगी बाबा के आशीर्वाद से गाऊँगी, जैसा भी गाऊँगी आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा। थैंक यू। तन्हा जीवन में थक हार कर मैं जब भी ढूंढा सहारा, कोई न था साई तुम ही
To introduce our next performer, we would like to invite Mr. Prasanna again to accompany the Padma Shri awardee Suresh Wadkar ji and his wife Padma Wadkar ji on the stage.
गुरु जी के चरणों में साष्टांग नमस्कार। ओम साई राम। जिस गीत से मैं गुरु जी के साथ जुड़ गया हूँ, वो गीत सबसे पहले आपके सामने पेश करता हूँ। ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था। ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था। ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था। अनाथांच्या नाथा तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो। ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था। अनाथांच्या नाथा तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो, तुझं नमो। नमो माय बापा, नमो माय बापा गुरु कृपा घना। तोडिया बंधना माया मोहा। मोह जाळ माझे कोण निरशील। मोह जाळ माझे कोण निरशील। तुझवीन दयाळा सद्गुरुराया। तुझं नमो, 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 तुझं नमो।
सद्गुरु राया माझा आनंद सागर त्रैलोक्या आधार गुरुराव त्रैलोक्या आधार गुरुराव त्रैलोक्या आधार गुरुराव स्वामी गुरुराव स्वामी असे स्वयं प्रकाश ज्या पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी ज्या पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी ज्या पुढे उदास चंद्र रवी रवी शशी अग्नि भेद तिजा रूपा रवी शशी अग्नि नेण तिजा रूपा रवी शशी अग्नि नेण तिजा रूपा स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद स्वप्रकाश रूपा नेणे वेद तुझ नमो तुझ नमो स्वप्रकाश रूपा तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो एका जनार्दनी गुरु परब्रह्म एका जनार्दनी गुरु परब्रह्म तयाचे पैना सदा मुखी दयाचे पैनाम सदा मुखी दयाचे पैनाम सदा मुखी तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो तुझ नमो ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था ओंकार स्वरूपा सद्गुरु समर्था अनाथांच्या नाथा तुझ नमो 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 तुझ नमो
सबका मालिक एक है सबका मालिक एक है
The devotee entering this gathering is Hari Sitaram Dikshit. He is a well-known solicitor in Bombay. He was a secretary of Indian National Congress in 1904. He was a patriotic, self-sacrificing man for the sake of principle and public good. He was instrumental in establishing and structuring the Shirdi Sai Sansthan, a contribution beyond measure.
In 1906, he suffered an accident in England that left him unable to walk normally. Seeking a cure, he came to Baba. But upon meeting him, he humbly said, "It's not my leg, but the lameness in my mind that needs the healing." This profound transformation in mindset marked the beginning of an unwavering devotion to Baba.
Sairam Baba. Baba, how he goes to there, Baba?
High up, high up.
What is the way he follows?
There are many paths to leading there. One such a path starts from here, even in Sirdi. It is difficult, full of tigers and wolves in jungles.
But Baba, we can take with the guide for the reason.
With a guide, you don't face any difficulty. Guide will remove all your dangers, will lead you safely to reach your destination.
What a simple yet profound explanation of the need for a guru. Baba's words beautifully answer so many of the doubts we carry in our hearts.
Now, let us travel to the 5th of December 1910 to Dwarka Shirdi, to look at what was happening.
Go to Wadi and have breakfast. Sairam.
What we see here is Kapade's first visit to Shirdi unfolding. Ganesh Sri Krishna Kapade at that time was a notable advocate and an influential personality in Indian politics. He was the right-hand man of Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak in the fight for India's freedom.
Kapade's first visit to Shirdi lasted for a week. After 1 year, he returns to Shirdi on the 6th of December 1911 to meet Baba again with his wife.
This is your house. What do you fear when I am here? Thank you.
1 year later, Kapade returns with his wife to Shirdi.
खाना खाया सब अच्छा है अच्छा है The governor came with lens. I had a tussle with him and drove him out. I convinced the governor, your husband is safe, nothing to worry. You can go to the Wada and take rest for some days. Allah bala karega. सब कुछ अच्छा होगा.
Sometime in January 1912, Kapade returns to Baba to ask permission to leave Shirdi.
कैसा वो कापड़े? ठीक है. वाड़ा में सब कुछ अच्छा है. Nai, I will tell you when to leave this place. Stay for some more time.
Sometime in February 1912, Kapade returns to Shirdi again to leave. But Baba says no. Baba does not permit Kapade and his wife to leave Shirdi for 98 days despite their relentless requests to do so.
कैसा वो कापड़े? बस ठीक है. सब ठीक है. वाड़ा में सब ठीक है. खाना अच्छा है. ठीक है.
आगे सब ठीक होगा.
अच्छा.
Baba finally permitted them on the 13th of March
थोड़ा
1912
दिन
to
रुक
leave.
लीजिए. मैं बताएगा जब जाने के लिए. अल्लाह सब कुछ अच्छा करेगा. अब थोड़ा दिन रह लीजिए. वाड़ा में आराम कर लीजिए.
On the 13th of March, Baba finally permitted them to leave Shirdi as it was safe for them to leave.
अभी जाओ. अल्लाह भला करेगा. सबका मालिक एक है.
गुरुर्देवा महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात्
परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। పాపములెన్నైనా
మరి మరి క్షమించు దైవం మీరు.
భక్తుల పాపములెన్నైనా మరి మరి క్షమించు దైవం మీరు.
గురుదేవా 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 గురుదేవా.
సుఖ దుఃఖములనిచ్చి
అపరోక్ష జ్ఞానమొసగి
భవభీతిని తొలగించి
భక్తోద్ధరణము చేసిరు.
భవభీతిని తొలగించి భక్తోద్ధరణము చేసేరు.
గురుదేవా 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 గురుదేవా.
శ్రీ గురుదేవ గురుదేవ
నా ప్రాణం వెదకే నీ పాదం.
మీ శ్రీ చరణ ధ్యానమున
ఏకాగ్రత నొందే నా మనము.
మీ శ్రీ చరణ ధ్యానమున ఏకాగ్రత నొందే నా మనము. గురుదేవా 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 గురుదేవా
గురుదేవా గురుదేవా.
Let me from the beginning give the thanks one, because that is where you forget at the last. Prasanna, Rashmi, children, they have created such a function today. This is one of the best I had on Shirdi Sai Baba. Because why? In such a short time, to create all these aspects, musical, dance, intellectual, understanding, question answers, Kathak, and a medley of Shri Guru Bhagavat, is not easy at all here, the first time we are talking. And then people coming from outside Delhi, our friends have come, all those matter in the core Sai group, US also people have come, from other places here they have come. I believe to create such a gathering and the atmosphere, it could have been a little short. Ajit, our Suresh had little diabetic problems, so he went to ask him to go. I must thank first this group and all those that associated with the show that are helping in this process. I don't know names. From my heart, I am thanking you. This is the first attempt you have done the best.
भक्तों का लगे मेरा साईं साथ चलने का शिव की बारात चली रे
साईं की पालकी चले साईं की पालकी चले